Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on audio and visual here, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you click here on background sounds, just click on it. You come here to use when media is playing, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean use when media is playing, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.